This model kit review is of the Fokker D.VII, and this is an older model kit by Monogram in 1/48 scale. And here's some pictures of the finished model. Let's have a look inside. Looks like this one has actually already been started. We have several sprues here. A lot of pieces have been taken off though. Here we start off with our cockpit. This has been glued in and primed. Not much detail here on our instrument panel, but they didn't really have many instruments. Fairly well molded actually. Good level of surface detail. Gives that canvas type look. Same on this side, it's been primed. Here's our pilot figure, and he's been primed as well. Needs maybe a little extra. Here's our engine. Engine's been built. Propeller's a little wobbly. It probably still has to fit inside that brace support there. Here are our wings, and there's a partial prime on there. Reasonably well molded. Here's our lower wing, here's our upper wing. Here's our stabilizer. This has been made to look like it's lowered, like it's sitting on the ground and there's no tension there. We have our guns. These have been glued together. That needs to be drilled out. The barrel. Here's our tail. It's been sanded down a little bit. Here we have our landing gear, wheels, with a little ejection pin hole there. We'll have to look to see if that's supposed to be there or not. We have some struts, and this looks like the little shoe hook that you would use to stand on to get in. That'll be glued onto the side. And so look here, we have some more struts. And some more of those little foot pedals. This is the radiator in the front. Some more struts. And maybe a steering column. We'll have to have a look at that. Here are the instructions. Looks like they're open up in quarters here. Here are the colors needed, and we have construction of the engine, then the building of our fuselage, guns going together, wings and struts going on the lower wing and onto the fuselage, upper wing then the tail pieces, skid and landing gear, and here's the painting and decal guide. And looks like we have two options there, and it gives you some detail here for rigging. And I don't think this is necessarily part of the normal model, but these are the decals here that do come with the model, and we have the two different options. So all in all, fairly simple model. This one's already been started, but has opportunity for you to add some additional detail.